jump, Yusuf. I got you. Maybe from here, or from here to here. Okay. Now, got my cat jump. I'm gonna do it from here. I was thinking about doing the jump onto there, then to the door, but it's gonna be really hard. Nothing much, but it's good.